it's a very good thought, a very good platform, and I think music किसी की जायदाद, किसी का हक नहीं है. Everybody who loves music has a chance to sing, to enjoy himself. You may be a bathroom singer, you may be a karaoke singer, you may enjoy yourself in any which way. Professional singing is a totally different ball game altogether. But even amateurs have the right to sing, enjoy themselves, and I know thousands of people, hundreds of people who actually enjoy themselves singing karaoke songs. So with the karaoke, I mean singing songs with the karaoke, and I think it's a very nice hobby, a good pastime, and you never know, it may become a big profession at one time.
Right. I think that even though they might not have the professional training, we've seen that they're very passionate about music. So that really comes across, and they're doing a great job, and I wish them all the best. Even though they don't have the professional training, I think it's wonderful because they have the passion, and they're doing a wonderful job, and I wish them all the best.
Have you ever participated in karaoke yourself?
Of course, I've participated, and all my friends, all of us have a great time. I think karaoke nights are the most popular nowadays. I think almost every weekend we're having a karaoke night, so yeah, it's definitely fun. Whether you sing or no, whether you're trained or no, it's definitely fun to sing on a karaoke night.
That's right. How different is it from participating in a reality show, and how good do you think is this opportunity? Firstly, I think that full kudos to Karaoke World Championship, because I think karaoke is one of the best forms of your performability to come out, because you're just concentrating only on your lyrics, your vocals, and your performance, because the music is coming in from elsewhere, which is the karaoke, which is called the -1. So your vocals, the way you look, the way you present yourself, it's the best way to actually check out and test your performability, and also test the pulse of the crowd, the audience. What are they wanting? What are they grooving to? And of course, lyrically, it makes you very strong, because a lot of singers, while singing, forget lyrics. But in KWC, in karaoke, you cannot afford to lose the lyrics, right? So that's one very big up there. And so I've been a part of it, because honestly, whenever I need to unwind, I've always just been unwinding to karaoke. It's such a de-stress. It's such an amazing... A lot of people who are not even singers, the singer just comes out of them. It makes a singer out of you. So you never know, karaoke can actually lead you to become a very professional, big hit singer. You never know.
So you're always associated with different like just now, fashion show, other purposes. So you're like little hardcore, like you always associate जो talent है, जो professional talent है, उनको मौका मिले.
Sorry? Professional talent है?
So जो professional talent है, उनको मौका मिले. अभी जैसे fashion show आता है, जिसमें Mrs. जो है वो
Yeah, correct. You saw that, yeah. Yeah, because I feel that, everything becomes very stereotypical in reality shows. So these kind of shows, these kind of platforms, like KWC is a platform at the end of the day. These platforms provide something very, very alternative to people who actually have another kind of talent. So why should people who have a talent they should also be shining in the spotlight. They should also be allowed an opportunity to express themselves. So really, here's to KWC forever and ever and ever. And Savio Diza for actually making this so passionately bigger and bigger each time, and international and global now, of course.
Have you done karaoke singing yourself?
Always. I love karaoke singing, because it's just, I remember in pubs and clubs, when there are karaoke nights, people cheer you on, the energy is so amazing. Karaoke gives you amazing energy to sing, actually.
And you'd like to sing something for us?
Okay, I'm not going to sing my own song, because we're talking about karaoke, right? So I'm going to sing a song which I normally sing in karaoke, and people think that, wow, I mean, she's 10 on 10 here. So I'll sing